How to sort an URL using TinyURL. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and in this video I will show you how you can sort in your URL using TinyURL. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, open up your browser and in the search bar type in TinyURL. Click on it. So from the search results, head over to the first link on the interface, that is tinyurl.com. TinyURL is a URL shortening web service which provides short aliases for the redirection of long URLs. So click on the first link here. And that's gonna take you to their official website. And this will let you shorten your URL or long URL for free. If you navigate on your left hand side, there is this pop-up box that says enter long link here. So if you have any long link that you want to shorten, then you have to paste the link right here. So for example, I have this link right here. I will just copy this link, head back to TinyURL and paste the link right here. After that, you can customize your link. So tinyurl.com will be your domain, and under this enter alias, now you could change or you can customize your link. I will just type in Canva project. So once you have done that, click on shorten URL. Make sure this alias is available. I will just rename it to this and click on shorten URL. Now here you go, you have the shortened version of your URL. So this is my long URL and this is my short URL, which is shortened by TinyURL. Now you could copy this link or click on this copy to clipboard and then you can share this link. So that's it. That's how you can use a TinyURL in order to shorten the long URL. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.